Morning, everybody. This is Anthony. And yes, I'm still recovering with this. Although the new medication I'm taking is helping a lot. I'm going to ring the bell. We're going to do a minute with Anthony, and in spite of whatever's going on. And I wanted to do a little rattling today with my bear paw rattle, because what it does is it calms everything down. And it's a meditation in itself, just hearing the rattle. Some people it annoys them, other people it really relaxes them. For me, it kind of brings me back to my center so that I can breathe, center, and balance, just like what it says behind me here. Heal Lead teaches about breathing, centering, and balancing, no matter what we're doing, whether we're cooking, whether we're busy doing something, no matter what we're doing. It's better if we're staying focused on what we're doing. The more we're focused on what we're doing, the more fun we're going to have with it. So enjoy the moments that you do have with your family or whoever you're with, and have a great day, everybody. This has been a minute with Anthony. Thank you very much.